Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Hotel Insight with Saurabh. So today's video it will be very useful for the freshers who are currently in the third year of their college, IHM college, or currently who are just passing out from the Franklin, and the person who are working in the hotels for past 6-7 months and they're currently looking for a job change. So आज हम बात करेंगे job interview के बारे में. So what are the important questions which are asked in the front of his interview, and what more thing you need to be prepared yourself for giving the interview. So सब बात करेंगे how you should present yourself, whether you're giving interview on a video call or face to face. Your grooming should be perfect, you should be well shaved, and you should look presentable. Yes, you should be in the proper formal three-piece suit. Whenever you go for an interview, your first impression should be perfect. तो जब भी इंटरव्यूअर आपको देखता है तो यस यू शुड लुक प्रेजेंटेबल, तभी ही विल कंसीडर इन हिज माइंड कि हाँ ये बंदा अच्छा दिख रहा है, अच्छा प्रेजेंट अपने आप को हो गया है, ही इज गुड पर्सन, तो इसको आगे इंटरव्यू करना चाहिए. तो उसका परसेप्शन वहीं पे चेंज हो जाता है. सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर इंट्रोडक्शन. इट शुड बी परफेक्ट. मैं हमेशा ही सबको एक ही चीज सजेस्ट करता हूँ, बार बार अपने इंट्रोडक्शन को रटो, बार बार दोहराओ एंड प्रैक्टिस इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर. That is very important. मैं आपको इंट्रो बता देता हूँ, एज अ फ्रेशर और एज अ एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, हाउ यू शुड गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन. लाइक इफ समवन आस्क मी माय इंट्रोडक्शन, हाउ आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ, इट इज लाइक दिस. Hi, good evening, good afternoon, whatever the greeting of the day. Then my name is Saurabh. I'm basically from Ludhiana, Punjab. I successfully completed my 3-year BSc. I have done my schooling from. Then I will come about I started my career with this and this hotel. If you have not done started your career, you're a fresher. You can say I have completed my training from this hotel in all the 4 departments. As far as my families are concerned, we have 4 members. And then you will come about your hobbies. Like I love playing cricket, I love playing chess, and so on. Then just end it with that. That's all about myself. Then the interview will move to the next question. तो जब आपका इंट्रोडक्शन परफेक्ट होगा ना, उसके बाद आपका 30% ऑफ द इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो जाता है. क्योंकि आपका अगर इंट्रोडक्शन परफेक्ट है, 30% रिक्रूटर्स आपके इंट्रोडक्शन देने के बाद ही आपके सीवी पे क्रॉस लगा देते हैं कि नहीं इसको नहीं लेना आगे. बिकॉज फॉर मी ऑल्सो इफ आई एम टेकिंग एन इंटरव्यू, तो अगर किसी बंदे का एक अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं परफेक्टली कर पाएगा, हाउ ही विल फेस द गेस्ट. तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कुछ कॉमन मिस्टेक्स लोग अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में कर देते हैं. जैसे कि यस इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं, माय नेम इज दिस, वी आर अ फैमिली ऑफ 4. तो ऐसा नहीं करना आपको. यू शुड गो सीक्वेंस वाइज. Like I have already briefed you, my name is Saurabh, I am from this place, I have done my this, and then talk about experience and family, and then close it like that. इसके बाद अभी हम जाते हैं जो बहुत कॉमनली क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं फ्रंट ऑफिस के लिए, व्हाट इज ARR. एंड ARR इज बेसिकली, इफ यू विल नो, still I will brief you, it is average room rate, and then the interviewer will ask how do you calculate it. So you will answer it like that. Here is average room rate. It is calculated by total room revenue divided by total number of rooms sold. Okay. Then sometimes recruiter confuse you with the question of what is ADR. It is average daily rate, and it is a one and the same thing. Formula is same, and sometimes recruiters will ask you a question on difference between ARR and ADR. Both are the same things. So most of the people get confused and they do some mistakes in there. Then question comes this RevPAR. What is RevPAR? It is revenue per available room. So it is calculated by total room revenue divided by total number of rooms available for sale. In case there are rooms in out of order, you won't count that by in time of calculating RevPAR. All right. इसके बाद बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है जो पूछा जाएगा, when ARR is equal to RevPAR. It is a simple answer when hotel is fully booked, and then your ARR and RevPAR would be same. इसके बाद जो और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है फ्रंट ऑफिस में पूछे जा सकते हैं, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड आउट ऑफ सर्विस रूम. So out of order is a room जो is under maintenance and you cannot sell it on that particular day, and out of service is a room which is having a maintenance issue but which can be solved in some time, so that room is available for sell. इसके बाद सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाते हैं. एक और टिप देता हूँ आपको बहुत अच्छी वाली, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डू मिस्टेक, क्योंकि वो सिचुएशन पे समझते हैं कि ये सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि मुझे अपोलोजाइज करना है, मुझे सॉरी बोलना है, मुझे ये करना है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. बिकॉज डे बिफोर yesterday my duty manager was taking an interview. I was with him. He asked a situation कि गेस्ट का अनआइडेंटिफाइड लगेज पड़ा है. Before even completed his question, the interviewer respond नहीं, I will apologize to the guest, but there is no guest, buddy. Listen to the question first. So always do active listening whenever you're giving an interview. ठीक है. इसके अलावा be straight to the point. If you don't know anything, answer that clearly, sir, I am not aware about this. Be positive, give your positive response, because what I look in a candidate is, first is communication skill, second is his or her attitude, and third positivity. These three things are very important in case you're preparing for an interview. So apart from that, I will share a few more tips with you. Tips are like that. So someone can ask you, being a fresher, how do you spend your entire day? What do you do in your entire day? So prepare for this question as well. What do you do? And being the experienced person, again, same question can be asked to you whenever you're doing a morning shift. How do you start your day? How do you complete your day? What task you do in your entire day? And then a difficult situations can be given to you. What if a guest came at reception shouting and you're alone at the desk? What will you do? And you cannot answer like this. I will call my manager at that point. First of all, always try to explain the interview that yes, if the guest came to desk and the guest is shouting, I will first try to make him calm, offer him water, or if the reception is busy, I will ask him to please be comfortable, please be polite. I will just call my superior, and then you can handle the situation like this. So these are few tips. If you will consider these tips, I'm sure your 60% of the interview would be cleared. So in case you have any questions, you can get back to me on my Instagram, or you can comment down on this video and I will get back to you. Alright, thank you. Keep watching Hotel Insight with Saurabh, and we will come with the more videos for the supervisors, executive and duty managers. So what questions are being asked to them also. So next week we will be coming up with again one of the membership videos. Then we will come with the podcast again, and it's planned like that. The channel will continue like this. Alright, thank you for watching Hotel Insight with Saurabh. Keep subscribing, keep out living. Thank you so much.